Welcome back, bookkeeper, because badass miracle worker isn't an official job description. That's me, Miss Badass. Anyway, today I would like to talk to you about CoA, PL, and BS. You may or may not understand those terms, so let's break them down. CoA is chart of accounts, PL is profit and loss, also known as an income statement, and BS is balance sheet. And a lot of people don't know what chart of accounts is, so I'm going to break it down for you. If you ever look at a profit and loss, you see your income, expenses, and your bottom line of how you're doing, whether it's a net income or a net loss. That's your profit and loss. I'll talk about that a little bit more in another video. Balance sheet shows the health of your business. What are your assets? What are your liabilities? How much debt do you owe? That is your balance sheet. And both are kind of a snapshot in time of how your business is doing. So if you take your balance sheet and then you take your P&L and put it right behind it, that is your chart of accounts. Every line item, starting with your balance sheet and going through your P&L, is your chart of accounts. And what I see over and over and over again in businesses is they're all set up wrong. Not quite sure why, but they just are. I do know why. It's just because you're not a badass bookkeeper. Anyway, examples would be, I've seen people pay their credit card, and there's actually an account called payment to credit card, and it sits on the balance sheet. So all those office supplies you've bought, all those job supplies you've bought, those gas bills you've bought, anything you've bought on that credit card is not showing up as an expense on your profit and loss. Another example, you have a car payment in your business. You're a construction worker and you have a truck and you have a truck payment. That payment I will see on the P&L as truck payment under auto expense. And that's not right. It's really a liability that should be being paid off. And those are one thing you really, really, really need to have in place, because that is, if you have a good chart of accounts set up, you really can take that and then make good decisions with your business. So step one, make sure your chart of accounts are set up properly. With that, I'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Tristan, Gina's son. Scroll down, see that subscribe button? Click it, ring that bell for all notifications on future videos. Also, comment below, what ideas would you like to see next? Until then, this is Green Tree Bookkeeping, the tree you can hang your hat on.